Welcome back to the Crypto and Web3 User Mistakes Prevention Guidebook, your guide to protecting blockchain-based digital assets from costly mistakes. In this short video, we review mistake number 9, wallet software update failures. Your wallet isn't just an app, it's a security tool that protects your keys. But skipping updates, or installing them carelessly, can open the door to bugs, compatibility errors, or even active exploits. Let's break it down. Many users treat wallet updates as optional, until it's too late. Ignoring updates entirely leaves your wallet exposed to known vulnerabilities and exploits. Outdated software is one of the easiest targets for attackers. Rushing into an update without preparation can be just as risky. Without reading release notes or backing up first, a failed update could cause data loss or even lock you out completely. Updating from unverified sources is another major danger. Fake websites and phishing emails often mimic real wallet updates, installing malware instead of security patches. And if you forget to back up before a major update, you risk losing your recovery phrase or wallet settings if something goes wrong. Finally, using outdated or unsupported devices, like old phones or browsers that no longer receive patches, can undermine even the most secure wallet software. Before we continue, if you're finding this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more free educational videos like this one. Thank you. So how do you keep your wallet software both secure and stable? First, update regularly, but carefully. Check for wallet and firmware updates at least once a month, but don't rush to install them. Always review what's new before you act. Second, always back up before updating. Secure your seed phrase and record any custom settings in case something goes wrong during the process. Third, use only official sources. Download updates directly from the wallet's verified website or official app store, never from pop-ups, emails, or ads. Fourth, verify changelogs first. Read official release notes or wait 24 to 48 hours after a major update to make sure it's stable and safe. Fifth, if possible, test updates on a secondary device. This step is optional, especially if your seed phrase is securely backed up, but for large balances or hardware wallets, testing first can prevent costly surprises. Sixth, keep your operating system and browser current. Even the most secure wallet can be compromised by outdated software underneath. And finally, follow trusted channels for alerts. Rely on official Twitter, GitHub, or Telegram accounts for real update confirmations and patch information. With a few cautious habits, you can keep your wallet both secure and reliable, no surprises, no lockouts. This was mistake number 9, wallet software update failures. In crypto, updates aren't just about new features, they're about staying secure. Ignoring them leaves you exposed, but rushing them can break your access. Always back up, verify the source, and control the timing. For more lessons on crypto and Web3 safety, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com to access our free educational materials online. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.